No matter what you've got going on tonight, we have an idea to make sure that everyone wakes up to a rise and shine breakfast that's New Year's worthy. We start by combining some eggs and sour cream with a bit of onion powder and some salt and pepper. Now we whisk this together, and once it's smooth, we add all sorts of stuff. Some shredded hash browns, diced ham, broccoli florets, and a good amount of shredded cheddar cheese. We give it a good stir and pour this into a baking dish, and into the oven it goes. And since we use a bunch of freezer and refrigerated aisle shortcuts, it couldn't be easier. When this comes out of the oven and you serve this along with your breakfast favorites, everyone's going to be smiling ear to ear. To get the recipe for what we call our Rise and Shine Breakfast Bake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a better breakfast way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Have a happy and safe New Year.